Atlas Copco's PTE, the yellow box that's packed with quality and control. The PTE makes no compromises. Its innovative design and superior parts deliver the quality you're used to of Atlas Copco. You're guaranteed 100% oil-free air whenever you need it. Quality is nothing without control. The PTE boasts a smart controller that's easy to operate. That controller and the integrated smart box put all the power and performance of the PTE at your fingertips. With our remote monitoring options, it's now easy to stay on top of things wherever you are. Outlet temperature, dew point, all those aspects can be controlled and configured. That means this yellow box is as flexible as it is efficient. Atlas Copco's PTE makes your work time quality time.